Welcome. I'm Jana, your intuitive guide that will help you release your past and forecast your future, highlighting profound messages for your own personal growth. My multifaceted card readings help you achieve new visions and dreams, which create the success you're desiring. As your life coach, I provide excellent decision-making tools to help you navigate life, enhance business planning, relationship building, and most important, self-discovery. I will blend shamanism, ceremony, symbolic imagery to spark your imagination and lead you to self-empowerment. I invite you to journey into a safe, peaceful haven to deepen your spiritual growth.